Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Calendly to Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Similarly, sign in to your account, and if you haven't already, click the Sign Up option, and you're good to go. Adding Calendly to your Wix website will allow you to easily schedule appointments, meetings, or events directly through your site. So there are multiple ways on you can integrate Calendly on your Wix website. And number one option is I need you to switch over to your Calendly account. Now, once you are inside here, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the integrations and apps. What will happen is these are all of the integrations that could automate your workflow. All right, so just hover down below where you can find the Wix, because Calendly will automatically adjust for different time zones, making it easy for you and your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, your company, your boss, or colleagues, or collaborators, to schedule meetings without confusion. Now, there you go. When you see the Wix option here, basically you can embed your booking page on your Wix website. All you're gonna do is click on that. Now, you see, the way that you can add Calendar to a Wix website is using the, it's available on current plans, on legacy plans as well. All right. And after that, all you're going to do is just hover to the option. We're going to switch to the Wix website. Now, I want you to hover to the Add Element section. And here, all you're going to do is go to the search button and look for the Calendly. Now, if you can't find the Calendly here, that means you are on the free plan, because you needed, I believe you needed to upgrade to the another subscription that would allow to integrate the apps, especially like Calendly, to your Wix website, because it would automatically be available here, and all you're gonna do is click on that and follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, if you feel like you can't find the Calendly despite having a pro plan, or you have upgraded your plan, the next thing that we need to do is to basically contact the Wix customer care support. Just type in your question. If you get an answer here, if you don't, all you're gonna do is hover down below where you can see the contact us option. All right, so these are your platform and channels, and once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems adding your Calendly to your Wix website. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.